In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on a Hostinger subdomain using cpanel. We'll walk through the entire process from logging into your Hostinger account to confirming your WordPress dashboard is live on the subdomain. I'll add tips along the way so everything is clear and you avoid common setup hiccups. Start by logging into your Hostinger cpanel. On the main dashboard, look for the website section. This is where you manage the sites connected to your hosting plan and where we'll add a new one specifically for WordPress. Click Add Website on the hosting plan you want to use, then choose WordPress. Hostinger's auto installer simplifies everything so you don't need to handle databases or manual uploads. Selecting WordPress here ensures the platform and its essentials are configured for you in one go. When you reach the domain step, choose the option to use a subdomain from a domain you already own. A subdomain is a prefix that comes before your main domain, like blog.yourdomain.com, and it's perfect for separating content, testing features, or launching a focused section of your site. Enter the subdomain name you want to use. Keep it short, descriptive, and easy to remember. Avoid spaces or special characters. Use hyphens only if needed. Hostinger will create the subdomain under your chosen domain during this process. Next, create your WordPress admin email, username, and password. Use an email you actively check. Choose a unique username that isn't easy to guess, and set a strong password with a mix of characters. Store these credentials somewhere secure as you'll need them to access your dashboard. Continue through the setup and finish the WordPress installation. Hostinger will run the installer, set up the database, and deploy WordPress to your subdomain. This usually takes a minute or two. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation and links to your new site and its admin area. If needed, verify that the subdomain points correctly to your hosting by checking its DNS settings in cpanel. The A record should point to your hosting server's IP, or follow your provider's default settings. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take time to propagate, so don't worry if it's not instant. Finally, open your new subdomain in a browser and log into WordPress to confirm it works. Use the standard login path, typically your subdomain.yourdomain.com.wp admin, and enter the credentials you created. If you see the WordPress dashboard, you're all set and ready to start building.